Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I am going to be experimenting with an item by the name of Goop here inside Animal Company. It's really hard to get, and I got my hands on some. Without further ado, let's get into the video. La 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 la. Oh hey, what's this? This bag looks like it has something. Yo, it's the Goop I ordered. I just ordered this like an hour ago. That's the first time Amazon's not late on shipping. Or it just cancels my order. What do I have to do with this? I'm gonna go put this package in my closet, which is totally not a empty void. Okay, I wonder what I can make with these. Hey, but before we continue, we're almost at 100 subscribers, so please make sure you subscribe so we can get there. Anyways, continue the video. Oh my god, bro, this is sick. I think the intro is pretty W though, like for Amazon stuff, but let's get down to the actual point of the video. Yo, I literally have long arms. Hold up. Yo! Alright, so we're gonna grab my Goop now, and I have different. Oh hey, you can actually put them in your pocket. What if you had mixed like two flashlights, like maybe a double-sided flashlight? Alright, this flashlight's kind of in a sus shape. It's kind of sus. Hey, but look. We got like traffic lights. This is sick. Oh god. Okay. Oh shoot, we're on budget. Let's see what we have in my stash. Trying to mix. Wait, I have an idea. How about we try to mix a bag and a crossbow, but like we put the bag crossbow on like bag thing, and then bag mix thing. Oh come on! So I'm gonna do something like this, like that. No, we want straighter aim. Like we could try to put something on here, maybe. No, it's not meant to work like that. It's meant to shoot it. Okay, well, this wasn't as case as I thought it would be. It stuck, did it? That's actually kind of freaking cool. Yo, wait, I have an idea. Oh, you can't put that on your back? No, not. No, bro. I'm going for Charlie. Huh? Huh? What happened? Yo! That's not fair! Hey, but I have an idea. If you, like, put this on this. Oh, wait. Just trust the process, guys. Hold up, wait. It's facing the wrong damn way. Yo, it's like the OG. Wait a minute. I can make the OG backpack that we all love, know, and everything. Okay. So now we're gonna bam. Oh, yeah. Alright, it's not perfect. It's a bit weird. That is way too tall. The OG bag was a little bit shorter. Yeah, and it was to the side. It was like to the side. It's facing the wrong dang way again. Maybe like that. Yo! It looks absolutely terrible. Okay. Hopefully, let's do something like that. Oh my gosh. Yo, hold up. I'm gonna go into mines. I wanna see how good this is. Oh my god. Yo, bro. That's a new strat, for real. That's a new strat. New way to get, like, better mines or something like that. Okay. Next thing I want to try is putting a lot of lights on the back. Such a... This. Set you two down. I only grabbed the flashlight so it wouldn't despawn. I'm pretty sure everything despawns in 1 minute now. Instead of the average 5, I think it was. And that's for, like, lags. And then we need, like, a leader flashlight. If you even have one laying around here, I should have one. Guess I don't. I forgot you have to do it this way. We probably look like a dang car. Wait, I'm gonna make myself a freaking brain rock. Hold up, watch this. So we're gonna like mirror it since there's that one. We can like mirror it. This might look very bad. Hey yo! That just means it has to go lower, right? This is not going to end up good. Bam. Bam. King Chili. And my brain rot now. Why do I got that bah movement? Okay, I might make a part 2 when I get more money to buy actually stuff to experiment with this cube. But let me know how, like, you want to see more about the goop. And I think it was pretty good. So, bye.